Topwell Development Limited was established in Hong Kong in 1996. Over the course of 27 years of development, we have evolved from an initial foreign trade company to a group company that integrates research, development, production, and assembly. We have successively founded Hong Kong Topwell Development Company Limited, Shenzhen Hanking Intelligent Industrial Company Limited, Shenzhen Topwell Mold Technology Company Limited, Shenzhen Topwell Innovations Company Limited, Shenzhen Topwell Technology Company Limited, Dongguan Topwell Technology Company Limited. Over the past 20 years of development, we have comprehensively upgraded and transformed automated production lines to enhance production quality and capacity. We now have a factory of nearly 60,000 square meters and approximately 800 employees, 582 sets of production equipment, 10 assembly lines, and 12 sets of testing equipment. We have also obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13485 Quality Management System certifications, and IATF 169 for 9 Automotive Industry Quality Management System certifications, and are located in the United States, Europe. Registered brand trademarks in countries or regions such as Hong Kong, China. For example, smartwell, Topwell. Building a professional team, comprehensively enhance research and development capabilities. Our design team includes electronic designers, mechanical designers, and industrial designers, including 3 foreign designers. With years of experience in product design, mold design, electronic design and manufacturing, secondary processing, assembly, and more, Topwell has now developed into a one-stop service center. We have won widespread praise from customers for our excellent service and high-quality products, becoming a large enterprise with excellent management skills and production capabilities.